Bodoy, you're come back to me now. You're come back to me now.
Hi, madam. How are you?
Bodoy, how are you? How are you? You not listening to me. I'm talking to you. You no go Philippine. Philippine, work hard, no
No
hard.
have, madam. No have work.
Bodoy, house look,
Madam?
look, very clean.
Yeah, clean house. The clean. Very nice.
Yes, very clean. Yesterday, I'm the cleaning the maid in the house. You're too much feet dirty. Take it.
Madam?
Why you're no understanding to me talking to you? Too much fit for you, too much dirty. Take it, take it.
Shoes. My shoes. Okay. Sorry.
Hey, no problem. Now you're coming, okay? Sit
Madam?
down. Sit down, sit down. Hey, 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 hey. Bodoy, sit down. Hey, understanding?
No, madam. What, madam?
Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Hey, 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 hey. Why no understanding what doing? Sit down. Hey, 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 hey. Why no understanding? Sleeping you? Sit down. No hearing good? What happened? You're go Philippine, no hearing good. Sit down.
What, madam?
Bodoy, bodoy, bodoy. Listening.
Sit down.
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you, thank you.
Yes, yes, yes. Why come back talking for you? What happened? Bodoy? Airplane what eat you?
Madam?
Airplane eating you? What the eating?
Madam?
Hey, what happened for you? I'm the talking for you. Airplane eating nice for you? What the eating nice the airplane? Airplane eating you? No.
Yes, madam. Yes, yes. Rice. I eat rice and chicken.
Too much talking for you. Too much.
Sorry.
Bodoy?
Madam?
Bodoy, your face, see tire your face. You understand talking to me? Understand for you? Listening. Your face tired. I see your face tired.
Tired. Philippine, madam, very far.
Okay, okay. Bodoy, Bodoy.
Madam?
You're sleeping now. Tomorrow you're finished. Again talking to you, okay? Tomorrow, open eyes for you, okay? No now. Understand?
Madam?
Hey, hey, hey. Now, close eyes. Tomorrow, open eyes. Understand to me? Understand?
I will sleep now? Thank you, madam. Thank you. Yeah, I want to sleep now. Yes, I want to sleep now. Thank you.
Bodoy, bodoy, bodoy. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm not remember you. I'm not remember. Bodoy, listening good, okay? Tomorrow, all house, eat house, okay? You understand?
What, madam?
Hey, 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 hey. Too much the headache. Too much. Listening, listening. Tomorrow night, more people eating the house. Okay? You understand?
Tomorrow, more house, eat house?
Yes, yes, yes. Very good.
All eating house?
Yes, yes.
Dinner. Okay. Sumini? Okay. Okay, madam. Understand now, understand me.
Too much problem. Too much. Tomorrow, you repair kitchen. Okay?
Madam?
5 kitchen blades, you repair tomorrow morning. I'm the no, you're not understanding to me. Tomorrow, 5 kitchen blades in the morning, you remove in the freezer.
No understanding.
Hey, 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 this one.
Chicken, madam. 5 breast. 5 chicken breast.
Bravo, bravo.
Okay, madam. Understand.
You cook more hot dog tomorrow, okay? More hot dog.
Madam,
You're cooking tomorrow, more hot dog.
Hot dog.
Children likes.
children like. Madam also like. Hot dog.
Me
Hot
like.
dog. Hot dog, madam. Hot dog. Hot dog. I forgot.
Bodoy, I like your fish by tomorrow. I like you buy fish swimming, okay? Understand?
Fish. I will buy fish tomorrow. Okay.
Madam like fish swimming. No swimming fish, no like madam. Understand? No swimming fish, no buy.
What, madam?
Hey, what happening? No hearing good. Why?
Madam. Fresh fish. You mean fresh fish? You like that?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay, no problem. What salad, madam?
What?
Salad. You like salad?
I like jarjir always.
Yeah.
Sir, like also jarjir salad.
Sir like jarjir also. Salad. Okay. Okay, madam.
Bodoy, Bodoy,
Madam.
you bring Philippine or no?
Madam. What talking, madam?
You're Philippine, right? You bring Philippine or no?
I bring Philippine
Yes, yes, the eating.
food. Yes, madam. I bring Philippine food. I forgot. Yeah. Sweet potato, madam. Sweet potato.
All understand, okay?
Okay. Understand, madam.
Wait. One
Yes,
more
madam.
forget for me. One more forget. Sorry. Bodoy, breakfast. I like eating visa. Okay?
Visa, madam. Visa.
Yes, visa.
My visa.
No. My visa. I like my visa eating. Okay?
Your visa. You're like it visa.
Come back talking. Tomorrow, I'm the like eating visa morning. Understand?
Madam, no understanding me.
What happened for you, Bodoy? I'm too much talking to you. Visa, eat.
Okay. You're like eating pizza. You're like eating tomorrow morning breakfast. Pizza. Okay.
Too much the problem. Too much. Bodoy, no understanding now. I'm too much angry. Tomorrow, sun like rumble eggs. Understand?
Sun like eggs rumble. Sun like eggs rumble. Okay. Understand.